Hello everyone, welcome to the Kia EV9 world premiere, a very important next step in Kia's exciting transformation. Since the relaunch of the Kia brand in 2021, we have been working to create products that inspire you and services and solutions that make your relationship with Kia more meaningful. Our first dedicated EV, the Kia EV6, was the perfect embodiment of our new brand. EV6 and now the high-performance EV6 GT have won the hearts of the world's media and consumers since their launch. And in line with our commitment to achieving carbon neutrality by 2045, we are on track to complete a full EV lineup of 15 models by 2027. Meanwhile, we are building on one of Kia's most recognized global strengths, our long tradition of developing state-of-the-art, market-leading SUV product. Based on our long legacy as a pioneer of the SUV segment, we are now spearheading it toward an electrified future with the long-awaited introduction of the Kia EV9. We have completely envisioned how an electric SUV should be designed. The innovative space will allow you to rediscover the inspiration of driving and the experience of connected, exciting, and safe driving has been redefined thanks to leading-edge technologies. As you'll see, the EV9 will reshape the way we move.
For our new dedicated EV, the Kia EV9, we started by challenging ourselves. We wanted to create a groundbreaking EV with an authentic and bold SUV character. We believe this typology is essential for the future of innovative EVs. Guided by this conviction and Kia's opposites united design philosophy, the EV9 identity was born. A fully dedicated EV, solid, capable, and refined. The body reflects our design philosophy with a sleek fuselage and boxy triangular shoulders. It brings together two contrasting volumes to create a strong character. Despite its unique upright profile, and with the help of our engineering colleagues who spent tireless hours in the wind tunnel, the EV9 achieves very efficient aerodynamic performance. Minimal airflow openings and vertical headlamps seamlessly mesh in with the digital tiger face. A confident and recognizable front expression is now recreated with a futuristic touch. With clean, pure surfaces and a distinctive three-branch light signature, the rear stance, reminiscent of a boat tail's cabin, is at once both strong and sophisticated. And now that we've had a peek at the exterior, let's start with the interior by looking at the materials we will be using. Marilia, our head of color and material design, will explain how, with the Kia EV9, she and her team are applying what they learned from nature.
Our choice of colors and materials for the Kia EV9 aims to reconnect us with the beauty of nature. Therefore, we took inspiration from four key elements: light, air, earth, and water. From the refined ivory silvery matte to the bold ocean blue, the EV9 exterior colors are a tribute to our natural environment. But much more than inspiration, nature provides us with essential resources. And as designers, we believe that we must use these resources with respect and responsibility by continually learning and evolving so that we can give back in the same way as we receive. As part of our efforts to build a better future, we defined what we call 10 must-have sustainable items that will be applied to new Kia models. We'll phase out the usage of leather and increase the amount of plant-based materials such as corn, sugarcane, and natural oils. In the case of EV9, more than 70 upcycled PET bottles are used in the interior. As you can see, our goal is to guarantee we have real impact by applying sustainability at scale. Now it's time to learn more about the interior. Back to you, Karim.
While we have not yet achieved our long-term sustainability goals, we keep improving, are more sustainable, and more respectful of nature with every new product we make. Inside the EV9, we focused on improving interaction between user and vehicle, but also between occupants. We want to provide the technology and the space to make every journey meaningful. The wide display extends from the driver to the passenger. This horizontal layout works naturally with a long, light and minimal dashboard. We simplified commands and focused on the essentials to provide a clear interface for our users. We use the best attributes of our innovative eGMP platform to create a flexible seating arrangement and a generous sense of space. We want to give our users the freedom to interact and communicate with one another. The room for adults and children alike to sit comfortably from the first to the third row. And the time and space to be filled with memorable human experiences. But beyond that, in our view, the eGMP platform allows for some impressive driving technologies, making our EV9 a truly smart vehicle. San, our senior product manager, will explain all of these remarkable features.
At Kia, we are confident that the future of mobility is now. And that's why Kia's latest driving assist technologies push us one step closer to full autonomy and are designed to provide smart, real-time assistance for you and your passengers in a variety of circumstances. In certain global markets, our new Highway Driving Pilot System, or HDP, is targeting Level 3 conditional autonomy. HDP can help make your daily commute or even more adventurous journeys more relaxing and give you added confidence. Under certain conditions and when properly equipped, the EV9 is designed to maintain a set distance from the car detected ahead, while also keeping the vehicle within detected lane markers, all without having to touch the steering wheel. Thanks to advancements in LiDAR technology, the Kia EV9 is available with remarkable environment scanning technology. Our engineers focused on how to intelligently combine captured images so that the vehicle can better detect potential hazards ahead long before the driver might be able to see them. A total of 15 sensors, including 2 LiDARs, allow the EV9 to detect objects at the front, back, and sides of the vehicle. And following the EV9's market introduction, even more advanced features will be available through OTA updates. The Kia EV9 also respects your freedom of choice. The Kia Connect store allows you to browse innovative features for personalizing your vehicle, even after initial vehicle purchase. In other words, we have reduced the anxiety of having to make important purchase decisions on the spot. Making things even easier, over-the-air software updates mean you can customize your vehicle from the comfort of your own home. Choose from a range of features like Remote Smart Parking Assist 2.0, Acceleration Boost, and the latest digital grille lighting patterns. It's as simple as updating an app on your smartphone. On certain long-range models, we are targeting an electric range of 541 kilometers on a single charge. And a mere 15-minute charge lets you travel up to 239 kilometers thanks to an ultra-fast 800-volt charging system. In addition, robust dual-motor performance and towing capacity of up to 2,500 kilograms, depending on market, ensure power and real-world utility. And the EV9 is ready for your adventures thanks to the highly advanced traction control system. And in certain global markets, auto-terrain mode. Now, imagine this: a huge portable power bank, always right by your side. The convenient vehicle-to-load feature will bring new functionality beyond expectations, giving you the freedom to power electronic appliances like laptops or even camping equipment for the ultimate driving adventure. When shopping for an EV, safety should be one of the most important deciding factors. The EV9 boasts advanced engineering design and technologies. Kia's engineers designed the EV9's frame structure with the goal of offering class-leading levels of occupant protection and battery safeguarding. Thanks to the world's first patent-pending B-pillar connection structure technology and a chassis with high torsional stiffness. What's more, the EV9 is engineered to maximize the energy dispersion generated during any potential impact, while a specially designed battery housing helps to ensure high levels of safety. As I hope you can see, the Kia EV9 provides the freedom to expand the boundaries of every journey. Now, let's explore what it's like to have an EV9 by your side every day.
The Kia EV9. A perfect synergy of SUV styling and EV innovation. It's not just a better way to move. It's a way to expand life's boundaries. Not just a roomier space, but a space to discover what truly inspires you. It's a whole new driving experience that will reshape the way we move.
Kia, movement that inspires.